Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for responding. Okay, perfect. So we are not going to waste time. Directly, we are going to start. Here we go. Hmm. See, our main motto you already know. We will be understanding what are the career paths available for a graduate or already those who are working in a particular domain and they want to shift to IT industry, what they can do. It's just like career guidance. I'm going to give it to you. Okay. If you get any doubts in between, you guys can ask me. So let me finish what I have to say and what are the mandatory things. In between, you guys can ask me. In between, you guys can ask me if you have any doubts and all. Okay. Good. So let me be ready with my pen. Just give me a minute. Okay, fine. Is my screen is still visible to you? Can you confirm? Because what I did was I started presenting a PPT. I just wanted to see whether can you able to see this PPT or not. PowerPoint presentation. Okay, very good. Okay, just I want to know my audience. Okay, I just wanted to know my audience. It's going to be now career guidance, right? Just put one thumbs up symbol if you are still not graduated, meaning, sir, I'm going to get graduated in this year. I'm going to be 2026 passed out. I'm going to be 2026 passed out. Okay, just put one thumbs up. Just put one thumbs up. ABD is there. Bhanusuma is there. Okay, Srivardhan is there. Okay, Sri Sai Vatsav is there. Lucky is there. Vandip is there. Sasanka. Okay, Ajay. Niku Kumar. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, on the other category, sir, that means what? You see, 2026 passed out, or I am still pursuing. I am still pursuing. I'm still studying. I'm still studying. I'm just student. I'm still student. Okay, very good. These are all the people are there. That's very nice. Final semester, second year students are there. First year students are also there. That's good. That is very good. That is very good. Nice. Okay, that's fine. And third category I'm talking, you already passed out in a graduation. Okay, you already passed out. After that, you started working. That means you have experience. You have experience, but not in IT. Sir, I passed out in 2022 or 2021 or 2018 or 2020. I passed out, sir. But I started working in a non-technical company or a non-technical job. Now I got 4 to 5 years of experience in non-technical like HR or telecommunication. There I worked. Or some other streams I worked. Sir, now I want to switch to IT. Saurabh 2026, sorry, 2016 passed out mechanical experience. Very good. Saurabh is there. Passed out in 2020 and have 3 years of experience. Very good. Aniket, nice. Aniket is there. What experience you have, Aniket? How you have worked for 3 years? ASP.NET developer. Okay, perfect. Fine. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Okay. See, when I say graduation, that means I'm talking about every degree. I'm talking about every degree. It might be BTech, BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA, MBA, MCom, whatsoever. It can be any degree. Okay. Don't think that this is only for BTech students or bachelors of engineering, BE students. No, it is for everyone. Okay. I just got to know my audience. Fine. So let's continue. Here we go. Mahesh Biradar, 2013 passed out, working as .NET developer, 9 years of experience. Want to explore AI opportunities for me. Very good. Nikhil BCA. Okay, so 2019 passed out, BE, electrical passed out, having 4 years of electrical experience. Okay, very good, Nikhil. Passed out in 2025. That is also fine. One more Nikhil is there. Okay, you passed out in 2025 BCA. Okay, that's fine. So I think if possible, you can hear this. Okay, more. Did you hear this? I just wanted to add a small clip, so I added this. If you can able to understand, you understand. Otherwise, I'll explain later. The other person who is sitting now on the bike, he asks that uh, the just no results out are right. What happened? He will ask. Then this person said, I passed already. Okay, I passed. Then immediately his question is what? Next ఏంటి? Next ఏంటి means in Telugu it is what's next? So a lot of people they will have this doubt. Okay, like just now I finished my graduation. You will be like, it's almost 12 to 13 years or 14 years sometimes. Okay, now 13 to 14 years you have been into one no life structure, that is schooling and colleging. you have been every single day, you have been going to school, you were listening lot of lectures, you have written thousands of notes and thousands of exams you have written, no, thousands of marks you have got, and you have attended what is that, tens of laboratories, you have written record books. See, it is all about last 13 to 14 years. It is all about last 13 to 14 years education. So with that, what will you do? You might have spent lakhs of money on it. You might have spent lakhs of money on it, and you have spent 13 to 14 years of your beautiful life. Let us take approximately Indians, we live up to 80 years. So out of 80 years, we have spent our precious 13 to 14 years of time just to going to school and to write some books, try to understand and try to gain some skill. Then after all these things, 14 years of time, and at the end of all this, what to make it meaningful, what you just need is what? One job. That's it. Just for a job, you have been going to schools and colleges from 14 years just for one job. See, just for one offer letter again. Good. This is the point. So I just want you to understand what you have done. So don't worry. I'm there. I'm going to help you with this now. I'm there. I'm going to help you with this. I'll be giving you complete clarity and all. So as a student career path, what and all career path will be there? First one is core job. If you are an electrical department, you will be going with respect to electrical and all. If you are a mechanical department, you will be going according to mechanical. Civil students are related to civil and all. So that is first your option. Second option is what? You can go for government jobs. Third option is what? IT jobs. These are the three options for a student now. Okay, you can choose government jobs, you can choose core jobs, and you can choose IT jobs. So one by one, what are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Which one is better? Everything I'm going to tell you one by one, so you don't have to worry. So first we will talk about government jobs. Let us talk about first what it will be government jobs. See, UPSC, CSC, like not normal, no, overall UPSC exams people will be writing now. Do you know what is the percentage of selected or qualified people? 0.08%. Means out of every 1,000 people, 8 people are getting jobs. Out of every 1,000 people, 8 people are getting jobs. See, that is what the point. I'm not saying 8 people are bad. I'm saying that what about 992 people? It is not that they cannot do it. It is the problem with the number of seats in India, available seats in India. No, no. How many of you might have seen this? Like few of your cousins or your brothers or your in friend circle and all. Many people they might have tried to write this UPSC exams and all. They have invested, almost 3 years. Sometimes some people with 4 years, some people with 5 years, but they could not do anything. They felt lost. They felt pained, and they discontinued trying government jobs. And how many of you might have seen them? It's very hard to see them because they have kept lakhs of money, 2 to 3 years of their valuable time again after the college just to prepare for UPSC exams and all. And very few will be qualifying. Very few will be qualifying. Like out of 1,000 people, Only 8 people are qualifying at present. I'm not saying don't apply for this. I'm not saying don't prepare. I'm just saying that see the result. For every 1,000 people applying and writing, 8 people are getting qualified. And you should be so, I don't think what I have, you should be like, you must be blessed by Saraswati Ma only to get a job. And recently in an Instagram, I don't know whether it is true or not, just I wanted to share with you, a student cut his leg. A student cut his leg, okay, just for, just for, what is this? To get a quota or reservation in, what do you say, handicapped one. Just to take the reservation in handicapped one, he cut his own leg. I think neat. See, seriously, I have seen one student now. I literally got very tensed. He cut his own leg, just to get, this, I don't, physically challenged quota. Yes, sir, I heard about this, ABD. Correct, yes, very nice it is. What I'm saying, very nice, every student has to know about this. We are raising that point in this such kind of career guidance classes. Where India is going now, population is increasing. See, it is government duty. If the population is increasing, number of job opportunities also should be increased. But number of opportunities are not increasing. You take 5 years before, or if you take around, okay, 7 to 8 years before, number of openings for UPSC, and now it is very slightly increased. That's it. But do you think that within 7 to 8 years the population will be only slightly increased, or will it be doubled almost? That is the problem here it is. So if you want to choose UPSC and all, you have to be exceptional to get a job. Otherwise, please don't waste your time. You finish your graduation, you spend 3 to 4 years, and still if you cannot make it, please be very, very careful. You lost another 4 years of your valuable life. And again, there are many things are there. Again, SSC CGL, you might have heard about this. 0.35% of the people are going to get qualified. UPPCS prelims and all. Just I wanted to go for one particular state, and I wanted to give it to you. So if I take for UPPCS prelims and all, 0.04% of the people are getting qualified. RRB exams and all. If you go for RRB exams, it will be like 0.2% and all. Okay. So read this again. Okay. Here we go. So that's what the point now. Here it is. If you go for AP and all, again here it is 4% and all. So government apps versus appointments, applications versus appointments, 220 million, so 0.33%. Even bank exam situation is also same. Bank exam situation is also same now. In bank exam, you are going to get almost, sorry, like instead of going for 0.8% and all, let me take it as approximation to 1%. If 1% of the people are getting the job, what about the remaining? So I'm not saying choosing government opportunities, government job opportunities is bad. I'm saying that it's very tough, very, very tough in nowadays. You have to be so exceptional in that field to get a job. And sometimes it may take 1 year to get a job. Sometimes it may take 2 years to get a job. Or sometimes it may take 3 years to get a job. And I have seen people spend 5, 6 years for UPSC exams and all. Few people, some people, they could not even finish even after spending 5 to 6 years of time. So I'm not saying it is bad. I'm saying just, I'm telling you, competition is too high. You can go for government jobs, but you have to be mentally prepared for all these things. Okay. So government job was your option. I have told about this government job options and all. Okay. Please be very careful about this also. Okay. I'm moving to the next one now. Core jobs versus IT jobs and all. Suppose if you choose core jobs, what and all things are going to happen? Starting salary for core jobs. Core jobs means what? Mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics related to that and all. Okay. You have studied you have studied BSc, you are going to continue in BSc. You have studied BCA, you want to continue in BCA. Like that, your core jobs. So core jobs versus IT jobs, it's going to be starting salary is going to be 3 to 5 lakhs here in where you tell me core jobs. 4 to 10 LPA average and 20 plus LPA top tier. Means what? If you get into top MNC companies and all, so it's going to be like this 20 plus LPA in top tier companies and all. Okay. So if you take 5 years of mark in core jobs, after 5 years working in core jobs, your salary might be 6 to 8 LPA if promoted or gate exam and all are related to that. If you go for it and all, 6 to 8 LPA will be there, 5 years of mark and all. But in IT industry, it's going to be 10 to 30 LPA based on the role and company. Even you can earn more than 30 LPA also as you get experienced and all. So location flexibility is limited in core jobs and location flexibility is high in IT jobs. So you will be most of the time staying in metro cities only. Work from home is also possible, but work from home in core jobs is very, very rare. Okay. Promoted speed is very slow in core jobs, but promotion you will get very fast in IT jobs and all. You work in a company for 2 years, then you switch it, your salary may double at a time directly. So please be very careful about this. Global exposure is limited if you work in core jobs and all. It is limited and it is little bit less percentage also. But if you go for IT jobs and all, it is very high. You can go out of the country and you can work for many companies outside over there. Even it is possible in core jobs also. But the point is opportunities are very less. Again, you have to be very, very handful. You have to be, yes, very, very handful type of people where companies are the public or the world is going to choose. So job security is medium to high here, but IT job almost high will be there because if you come out of one company, definitely there are thousands of company to hire you. So this is the difference between core jobs and IT jobs. See, in general words, I will tell you. Your age might be as a graduate, you are still pursuing, and some people are already passed out. I will talk about that later. Okay. So now you are very recently passed out. You might be hardly your age is 22 years or less than 22 years. If you get 3 to 4 years of experience, just 3 to 4 years of experience, you can easily get 12 LPA. Easily you can get 12 LPA. Means you will be earning 1 lakh per month by the age of 26. In IT industry, it is possible. And in IT industry, there is no upper limit. Upper limit means what? You keep on working, your package will be keep on increasing. And I have seen few of the people they are working and under what is the CTC of 26 LPA. I have seen people working for 35 LPA and I have seen people working for 48 LPA and all. Is there any other job profile will give you this much of salary other than IT industry? No. Or you should be a politician to get such kind of a salary. So these are all the advantages are there in IT industry. So if I throw back myself at my college days and all, I would have chosen IT industry, but there were no people to say all these things to me. That is what my biggest problem. There was no one to tell me that, Mahendra, you have to do this. You go for IT training, then you become a software developer. All these things nobody has told me at that time. I'm talking about almost no 10 to 11 years before. Okay, let's talk about what you tell me. Last year's average salary for different companies and all. See, top MNC companies only have taken. So TCS company, okay, starting salaries will be what you tell me, 3.3 LPA or 3.4 LPA they're going to give you. And what you tell me, it can range up to what you tell me, 10 LPA. This I have done it only for 4 years of experience. 4 years of experience. Okay. If you have a 4 years of experience, if you have a 4 years of experience in TCS, you can reach from 3.3 LPA to 10 LPA. If you do not believe me, please go to this ambitionbox.com. This is the website where they have given me the data, everything and all. You can check all these things. So here we go. Infosys is providing you 3.2 LPA starting, and if you have 4 years of experience, they are ready to give you up to 12 LPA. And Wipro is there 2 to 11 LPA. They are going to see. This is your entry salary. This is your salary after 4 years. First one is your entry salary, and the right side is your salary after 4 years of experience. HCL Technologies are going to give you 3.8 LPA starting, so you can reach up to 9 LPA. Tech Mahindra is giving 2.3 to 9, 2 to 12, 2.9 to 12, 5.5 to 21. IBM company is fantastic company. You can see here they're ready to give you 5.5 LPA in the beginning, and you can reach up to 21 LPA. Since it's one of the greatest companies in the world, so package will be very high. Again, Accenture is there 3.6 LPA to 14 LPA. So Amdocs is there 5 to 15 LPA. This is also very good company here. I have taken few important companies that we have branches in India, and I'm talking all this about. So you tell me, in your core jobs, in your core jobs, might be mechanical, might be civil, might be electrical, or BSc, BCA, whatsoever. Just within 4 years, can you fetch me 10 LPA and more? Means more than 80 to 90,000 per month. Can you give it to me in core jobs? Yes, possible, but very rare. Very, very rare. But in IT industry, it is not like that. So know about the salary wise and all. Okay. Average annual salary, if you are as experienced, how the changes are going to happen. Entry level, 0 to 2 years of experience you have. So 4 to 8 LPA will be there. 4 LPA is minimum, it's like 3.5, 3.4. Some companies will give you 2.4 also, 2.4 LPA also. But on an average, if you take the average of all the companies, startup to mid-range to top MNC companies, so starting entry level will be 4 to 8 LPA and all. But the moment when you get mid-level category, means you already have 2 to 5 years of experience, your salary will be 8 LPA to 15 LPA. And if you get the experience more than 5 years, then you will be a senior level, and your salary will be 15 LPA to 20 LPA and plus. It is more than that. 20 LPA and plus more. So this kind of salary, where do you get other than IT industry? This kind of salary in India, where do you get other than IT industry? See, politics is excluded. Don't say that, sir, I will become a politician. And yeah, if possible, you be that. So finally, what I'm trying to say is, sir, chartered account. Arey Ajay, you can become chartered account, doctor you can become, lawyer you can become. Now, do you have time to study again to become doctor 5 years, to become a lawyer for another 4 5 years? No, no. I'm a graduate. You tell me what I have to do. I have already done BTech or BSc or BC or BCom, BBA, something. What I have to do? Do you ask me to go back to study again MBBS now? Ayurvedic and all now? Or do you want me to, Mahendra sir, you go and join LLB now? Possible or now? I don't have time. I want to get into jobs now as quick as possible. Is there any course to become a doctor? Like to become a software, we have courses, right? To become a software, we have do you want to become a software developer? Yes, you do some courses. Very good. Now to become a doctor, I don't have small courses. I have to go undergo 4 to 5 years of study again. To become a lawyer, there are no small courses in Hyderabad or in Bangalore for 6 months, 7 months, or 1 year. For lawyer, again, you have to study 4 to 5 years now. I don't have time. I can hardly invest 1 year. That's it, maximum. I can invest only 1 year and I want high level of salaries. I cannot invest more than 1 year because I have already invested 14 years of my beautiful life in studying on. So that is the problem. See, out of all these things, government jobs versus core jobs versus IT jobs. I'm sharing my own experience. I missed this. I wanted to go for this option. This is option one. This is option two. This is option three. I was I was not knowing all these things at my college. That is the biggest problem. Option three is best for everyone who wants to make money early and who wants to get the retirement early. You start your career when you are at 21 or 22 or above than that. So you work for 10 years, you work for 10 years, you make money, you stop working or you get retired. More than enough. That's it. Very simple. So do not go for government jobs. What is that? Net. Okay, good. So what I wanted to tell, I have conveyed. So experience is the most important here. It is as you get experienced, your salary will be depending on that. Why IT job? I think you got this idea. Salary will be very good. Career growth will be fantastic. Opportunities are more. Job security is fantastic. Suppose if you come out of one company, there are hundreds of company, thousands of company to hire you again. Just you have to have is what skill. That's it. So now you are fixed with your mind that okay, I want to get into what it tell me IT industry. Now immediate question is what? Am I eligible? Sir, I'm a non-IT student, sir. I'm a mechanical student. Still, am I eligible to get into IT industry? Yes. Sir, I'm a fresher. Harish, I will answer your question later. Okay. So there is a frequent question coming on that, sir, AI has come into market now. Will it replace developers? I will talk about this, Harish. Don't worry. Okay. This will be the last question. When I finish all these things, I'll tell you. Okay, here we go. So I'm a fresher. I'm a fresher. Do I get opportunities here? It is. Okay. Yes, possible. You don't have to worry about this. Then I'm a degree student. I have done BSc, BCA, BCom, BBI, where I'm nowhere related to, I'm not even BTech at all. Still, can I become a software developer? Yes, it is possible. Sir, I have a career gap. I have worked in a previous other jobs and all. No, non-technical jobs I have done. Now I want to shift into IT industry. Is it possible? Yes, 100% possible. And many people will come with this problem also. Sir, I have less percentage. I have less percentage. What is that? Sir, my percentage is less than 60%. Less than 60%. Still, am I eligible? 1000% you are eligible, man. I'm telling you. See, there are certain companies who will give you cut off in the beginning. So if you take all the companies 100%, so there are 25 to 30% of the companies where they will ask you cutoff. Cutoff should be minimum 60% or minimum 70%. Some companies even they ask minimum 80%. But don't worry, there are again thousands of companies where they will not even ask what is your percentage also. They just ask you, did you complete your what is that degree? You should not have any backlogs. That is the point here. You should not have any backlogs, arrears and all. Meaning, sir, one subject is there, I did not pass in that, still I have to complete it. So such kind of situation should not be there. You should have completed all your subjects passed. Only then you are eligible for this IT industry. So these are all the things and all. Certain companies will ask cutoff, but there are thousands of companies, they will never see about your percentage only. Sir, just tell me, you have done some which is nowhere related to software industry, and what do I do with that percentage again? You say I'm a mechanical engineer. My percentage is 52, sir. Whether your percentage is 52 or whether your percentage is 92, that doesn't matter because you have studied mechanic. So I am nowhere going to ask your degree and degree percentage. I just want skills from you. Do you have software skills? Do you know how to develop a application? Do you know how to develop a software? Do you know how to make a web page? Yes, sir. Then get in. Start doing the work. I will pay you. That's what the point here. Okay. So here we go. So now I hope you understood. Are you eligible or not? So you wanted to become a software out of comparing to government jobs, non-IT jobs, there is core jobs and IT jobs. You compared and you fixed your mind for IT jobs and all. After fixing your mind to IT job, now you had a doubt that are you eligible? I think I have discussed that point also. Okay, now you have fixed this in my mind. Okay, I want to become a software engineer now, but which course to learn? There are thousands of courses are there available in the market. Someone will come to you and they will tell that learn Python, you will have life. Someone will come and they will tell you learn Java, you will have life. Someone will come and tell you that you go for cloud computing, you will be having a life. Some people will come learn AWS and all. Some people will come and tell data structure algorithms you learn along with any one particular language. So you'll get a job. You become data analyst, you become cloud engineer, you become testing, you go to testing, and thousands of suggestions you will get. Thousands of suggestions you are going to get. No point is what? 12 years of career gap, no problem at all, Kumar Raj. No problem at all. Still, you can get into IT industry. You just need to know some skills. That's it. You have to have some skills, do some courses, start applying for the job. But that 12 years of experience will not fetch you money here. It is. You will be taken as a fresher only. So as a fresher, if you get into IT industry, basic salary package you will be getting. So don't worry. No problem at all. See, this market is always open for any type of people. Just you should carry skills in you. That's it. That only matters here. Sir, layoffs, that is called recession. I will talk about recession also at the end, so don't worry. Harish, I have 11 years of gap after my graduation. Do I still eligible? Yes, 1000% you are eligible, Harish. You just have to get skills. What skill you are going to get, it matters. You can start applying. Yes, it is possible. Recently, a 35-year-old woman, married woman, what she did, she fed up with her regular life. Like she had children, she had to take care of children, she had an husband, so she has to look after him. So finally, she fed up with her regular life. So what she did was she joined to a course in when she was at 34. Okay, So she finished full stack Java developer. So she turned to 35. 1 year she took and she learned each and everything. 35 she turned. And she started applying for the jobs. She went into an interview. She cleared the interview. She got the job. Her salary, starting salary was 3.4 LPA. See, age doesn't matter. You just carry skills in you. She's a software developer now. If she works for another 5 years, by the age she turned to 40, her salary, do you think that her salary will be same? She will be earning more than her husband now. Sir, career gap students, sir, company not entry fresher role. What solution? See, you have to entry into you have to take an entry into a company as a fresher only. There is no other go. How to cover career gap? Why you want to cover the career gap, man? See, I will tell you, Harish. Example, I am taking, sir. I am Mahendra. I have worked in the mechanical department for 11 years. Then later, I got to know that IT industry is booming. So all we need is skill. So I learned skills and I am started attending interview. They are not enemies. When you get into an interview room, they are not enemies. They don't always look at you to reject you. They want a person who is good at skills. They will hire you. Don't worry. See, listen to me, Harish. I'll tell you. You started a kitchen. Okay, you started a restaurant. You say you started a restaurant. One person, his age is 35 years, and he is a fantastic cook. One person, 21 years, and he is average. Who will give you job? To whom you are going to give your job? You are the manager. You are the manager. You have started a restaurant. One person is a 35 years old man and he has fantastic cooking skills. Another person, 20 years of age, and he has average or good cooking skills. Now, whom do you hire as a chef? Just because he is old, you will reject him? Arey, come on, yaar. What kind of people you are? You just have to have skill. That's it. Your age doesn't matter here. See, first take out your that point from your mind that you have a career gap. That doesn't work. See, thousands of examples are there, man. See, one student, I will tell you this story I have to share with you, who spent 8 years for preparing UPSC exams. Okay, he could not do it, and their parents are very rich, so don't worry. So 8 years he has spent to clear the UPSC, and he tried very hard, and he was rich also. His father was rich. He could not make it even for trying 8 years. His age bar, all these things got over. So 4 attempts or 5 attempts were there, but still he tried 4 5 attempts, continuously studying, investing 8 years. He could not do it. So what he did, he get into a course, software developer. Okay, software developer, full stack software developer. 1 year he invested. Now he's working in UK. Now he's working in UK, and his package is, I think, 45 LPA. Tell me now. 1 year he got a full stack developer. 2 3 years he worked in India, and he took that experience. He applied jobs in UK, and he went there. Within 3 4 years now he is earning 45 LPA now. Do you think that IT industry is a joke? Huge competition is there outside other than IT. If you go for government jobs and all, or bank exams and all. Lot of opportunities are. Don't worry, don't worry. So career gap doesn't matter to you. So that is why I'm highlighting this, because most of the people they're asking, I have a career gap, I have a career gap. That is the reason. Okay, good. So what are the options you have? You can go for full stack developer, you can go for front end developer, you can go for data analyst, QA testing and all, cloud computing and AWS you can go for DevOps also, you can go for cybersecurity. These are the 7 options you have. These are the 7 options you have. You can choose any path. So all will lead you to very good package. All will lead you to very secure job. And now you can choose any of these 7. See, I will answer all your doubts. First, let me finish what I have to tell and I will answer all your doubts, okay? Just give me a minute. I will answer all your questions. First, let me finish what I have to tell. So now, after this, one by one, I'm going to tell you. You can take the screenshot of all these things. Please take the screenshot of these things. If you want to go for full stack developer, it can be a Java developer, or it can be a Python developer, or it can be a .NET developer. See, in full stack, what happens? 3 things you are going to learn. You are going to learn front end, you are going to learn back end, and you are going to learn database also. Okay, front end, what are all will be there? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. These 4, up to these 4, it's going to be front end. Then, if you want to go for Java full stack, then you will be going for Java. Then you will be understanding database. What is a database? SQL. No, sir, I want to go for Python full stack. Python full stack means what? Front end is what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Back end, you're going to learn what? Tell me? Python. That's it. In the place of Java, you will learn Python. Then database is what? SQL. No, sir, I want to become .NET engineer, sir, .NET developer. Fantastic. For .NET developer, what you will be learning front end? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Then .NET you will learn. Then you will go for SQL. React.js is best, Ajay Kumar, front end. Compared to AngularJS and React.js is best. Alternate. I'm not saying AngularJS is less and all. Comparatively, if you compare these two, this is better. Okay. See, that's what. See, you want to become Java full stack, learn Java with this front end and with this is database. If you want to become, so I want to become Python developer, learn Python and learn this front end technology, learn some SQL. Sir, I want to become .NET developer, sir. Very good .NET developer means what? Learn this front end, learn .NET and go for SQL. This is what full stack developer. You can go for Java full stack, Python full stack or .NET full stack, many are there, but I choose you. I will ask you to choose these 3. Okay, good. So no, sir, I don't want to get into full stack Java development and all. Yes. Previous one, I think I missed it. You can take this photo. Please take this one. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Srikanth, I will tell you which one is better, Java or Python. I will tell you. Don't worry. Front-end developer. Okay. Sir, I don't want to become full stack, sir. I hate learning everything. I want to study. You are asking me to learn front-end also, back-end also, and database also. Not possible. I want to become only front-end developer. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I want to become only front-end developer. Yes, it is possible. These are the skills you should have. HTML, CSS, JavaScript frameworks like React.js or AngularJS, and it is very good for creative tech careers and all. Sir, I'm very creative. I have crafting and I'm very creative. I'm good at designing something. So this is all about you're going to design a website or you're going to design an application. Which color do they look? See, I will tell you. Just front-end developer means what you know. When you hear about Swiggy, what you will see? You will see orange plus white. Correct. When I talk of this is what Swiggy. Correct. If I talk about Zomato, what you will see? What color combinations you will see? Red and white or KFC? Let me talk. KFC. KFC is what? Red and white? Okay. Then when I talk about WhatsApp, WhatsApp is what? Green. Correct? Green and white. This is what designing I'm telling you. How an application should look. What are the options that you have to provide? What are the features that you are going to provide? This is what I think you got an idea. What you see an application itself is what? Front end. So you want to design such kind of all these things. How an application looks to an user. That's what front end develop. So you have to learn all these things. I think you have taken this screenshot also. Don't worry, I will tell you. I will compare all the things and I will tell you. So you don't have to worry. Then data analyst path. Data analyst, take the screenshot. What and all you have to learn? You have to learn SQL, you have to learn Excel, Python, Power BI, Tableau. Enter jobs is what? Data analyst or junior BI analyst. These are all the courses. Don't worry, don't worry. I know you don't even know anything about Power BI. You don't know anything about Tableau and all. See, I don't have enough time to explain each and everything. I do not have each and no, I do not have time today. Only one day. Don't expect that Mahendra sir will explain full IT world. Not at all possible. Even if I take 2 months of class also, I cannot complete all these things. Okay. Here we go. 1 second before this. Manual and automation testing. No, sir. Development only I don't want, sir. Too much coding will be there, it seems. What you told? Sir, development side, too much coding will be there, sir. I don't want to go development side. Is there any place where I can do less coding? Coding should be less, sir. Is it possible? Yes. Testing side you can get into. Data scientist and data analyst both are same. They are very close. Okay. Tell me now. Then you can go for automation and manual testing. Only manual testing is not fetching you jobs. In olden days, only manual testing used to get jobs. Now everything made automated and all. So you have to learn manual as well as automation testing both. Selenium, so Cypress or Postman, you have to learn. Then you can get into QA tester or automation tester side. Then cloud computing, you can go for this. Cloud computing or AWS, Amazon Web Services and all. Okay. So if you want to get into that, please take the screenshot. You have to complete these things. Cloud basics like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Deploy and manage the apps. So you can be a cloud engineer and cloud support jobs. Don't worry. Now I think you will be having doubt. So out of all these options, which one is better? Which one will give more salary to me? All these things I will compare all this and I will give you a clarity. Don't worry. Previous slide again. Okay, previous slide again. Manual testing. Please take the screenshot. Make it quick. Please take the screenshot. I'm very sorry. I think I pressed the back button. Present. Okay. Do you take the screenshot? Okay. Let me move back to the next one. Cloud computing. I think you have taken the screenshot now. I will count three. 1, 2, 3. That's done. Okay. Here we go. Next one. Sir, can I go for DevOps, sir? Many people, see, I will tell you, thousands of people do DevOps. That is the biggest problem. You might have heard about a lot of these things and all. DevOps means what you know? DEV stands for development. OPS stands for operations. You should know how an application will be developed and you should know how you can operate them. So you should know how to build it, you should know how to test it, and you should know how to deploy it, and you should know how to manage it. You should be a developer, you should be a tester, and you should be a deployment team. You should know how all these things and all Kubernetes, Docker, how it works. You should know, and you should know how to manage it. And again, two, three technologies you have to learn. So it is like DevOps means everything, start to end, A to Z. You should know. That is what DevOps. DevOps course is very huge. Again, I'm telling you because you have to learn everything. It's the minimum 1 year time. Yes, 1 to 2 years of time. But still, if it is there in your bucket list, please take the screenshot of all these things. Different types are there under DevOps, again CI and CD and all. You can go for continuous integration or continuous delivery and all. If you go for continuous delivery or continuous deployment and all, so knowing development side or testing side is not required. But if you want to go for CI, you have to know about development side also, testing side also, deployment side also, and management also. Okay, I think you have taken the screenshot. Cyber security is, you can take the screenshot. Cybersecurity people also will be there, sir. I want to become a hacker, sir. In their mindset, something will be there. Like, I want to become a hacker. I want to hack that, this, and all. I have never seen any hacker hacking lot of government. What do you tell me? Sites and all. Very rare. Very hard it is. You know, people will do cybersecurity courses and all. By the end, what they do, they will hack Wi-Fi and they will know password. That's it. So I'm not degrading anything. This requires a lot of experience and all. And cybersecurity is only for experienced people. First, you have to serve as a developer for 2 to 3 years of experience. Then you can get into cybersecurity. Okay, thank you so much if you have taken the screenshot. So let's move. Now, this is what. This is what. This is what. How to choose a path? Sir, I'm an average student. If you hear my percentage will be 50% or 54% or 55% or like that only will be there. I'm not so great. Okay. I know about myself. So which one will be good? Should I have to go for coding or non-coding? Sir, I'm not too much creative and all. So should I have to go for creative side or should I have to go for analytical side? Which one is better? What would you suggest? I don't know anything. It's like, you went into a market and you don't know what to purchase. There are thousands of options are there. Just now have shown 7 options, right? 7 options I have shown you now. See, if I were a student, I also go blank like this. Which one is better? Which gives me more salary? Which is secured? And which one is I want easy to learn and I want high salary? Like that, which course is better, sir? Like that you will be asking. So for that, I'm going to make one comparison. I'm going to give it to you. So don't worry. So a roadmap to success, I'll talk about that later. Or is it previous one? Here. Here we go. Here we go. Listen, listen, listen. Before this, what I have made it here. So now, which course you have to choose? Like, you have to choose a path. I will tell you what path you have to choose. So here we go. Is this previous one? Here we go. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry for this. Now you take the screenshot. I will not say everything now. Please take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. First, you take the screenshot. First, you take the screenshot. Taken, 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 taken. Now I will explain. See, you can go for. Where is the pen? Here it is. Just give me a minute. Here we go. Pen, pen, pen. I will take pen. Here we go. You can go for full stack developer. Yes, sir. In full stack developer, coding is required, sir. 1000% coding is required. Sir, level of coding will be what? Very high. Like you are going to become a developer. You have to develop an application or a software. Definitely level of coding will be very high. You have to learn front end as well as back end also. Oh, Sauna, sir. Is it so, sir? Then, sir, what might be the expected entry level package, sir? Entry level package will be 48 LPA entry level and 10 to 15 LPA mid. And this is going to fetch you a huge job opportunities in world, and there will be huge growth here also. Huge growth, lot of growth will be there. Job opportunities is what, sir? High, very high demands in startups and IT companies and all. It is very high demand. Full stack developer. It can be Java full stack, Python full stack, .NET full stack, whatsoever the full stack you're going to take. Mean, MERN. Again, there are other courses are there. Mean, MEAN, Mean full stack is there. MERN full stack is there. MERN. So where you will be learning MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, and Node.js. It is JS full stack, JavaScript full stack it is. Or you can learn MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Here you will be learning AngularJS, and here you will be learning React.js. These two again JS full stack. You can go for Java. What is this? JavaScript full stack also. JavaScript is another language again. So suitable for freshers? Yes. With the training, it is suitable. Without training, you cannot clear any no software developer jobs. So front-end developer, yes, coding is required 1000%. So level of coding, moderate to high. Front-end developer you can become, it will be moderate to high. So expected entry level, 4 to 7 LPA will be there. Job opportunities, high demand, especially for web applications and all. So is it suitable for freshers? Yes, it is suitable, and focus the study. Please listen. Front end is not everyone's cup of tea. Sir, I'm not understanding. Front end is difficult than back end. Front end is difficult than back end. Please listen very carefully and choose. Just training is enough for full stack, but you need very focused study if you want to get into front end. Please be very careful. Because why is it is very what do you tell me what I have to say here? Focus the study and all. The point is what you should be very creative here. That's what I have given the example of WhatsApp green and white, Zomato red and all, like Swiggy orange and white, like that it is. Please be very careful about this. Then data, sir, I want to become data analyst. Sir, will it be in data analyst coding? Is it required, sir? Yes, some coding is required. Some coding is required. The level of coding will be light, moderate, 4 to 7 LPA, moderate analytics, teams and business roles and all. Yes, with SQL tools and all. Training and all required with SQL tools. Okay. Sir, I want to go for testing department. I have told you. Very minimal coding will be there. I am not saying no coding. I am saying what? Minimal coding. Coding will be there, but less. If you want to go to testing also, manual and automation here it is. See, manual you don't have. Absolutely, you will not have much coding and all. Computer work will be there. Computer work will be there. But automation, 1000% you will be having coding. Okay. So here it is low, moderate, 3 to 6 LPA, 5 to 8 LPA like this and all. And moderate often, good tool Selenium and all this. See, I'm telling you, if you want to go for this testing side, don't only learn manual testing. You have to learn both. You have to learn both for good career opportunities and salary packages. If you want to go for testing side, 1000% you have to learn manual as well as automation. Only manual is not enough now. 10 years before or 7 years before, if you learn only manual, that was fantastic. But now you have to learn manual as well as automation also. Very important. If you go for testing, compulsory you have to do both. And nowadays students are learning extra tools also. So you have to be very good all these things. Okay, good. Now I want to go for cloud computing and specialist. Yes, little bit coding also will be there. Moderate, 5 to 10 LPA entry level. Increasing demand as the cloud adoption grows. Yes, certification helps. You can go for cloud computing also. That is also a good opportunity. A level of coding will be moderate. Coding required, or some coding is required. Cloud configuration and scripting, but this requires lot of logical thinking. Too much of logical thinking. When coding is less or little bit some logical way of thinking and understanding computers and all, you have to be very good in this. Okay, then you can go for the last one, DevOps engineer. Coding, is it compulsory? Yes, absolutely compulsory. So very high coding will be there here if you get into DevOps. I have told you, development also you have to learn, operations also you have to learn. I told you, no, that's what the thing. 6 to 12 LPA will be there. Very high, growing very fast. DevOps engineers are growing very fast. Okay, yes, with solid training, huge, solid training in the sense like you have to be pinpoint to a particular point in the notes. You have to be that much good to clear the interviews and all, because package they're offering will be very good. That's the reason. So cyber security analyst, some coding is required. Moderate level of coding will be there. Security tools and all coding and all you have to learn. 6 to 12 LPA, growing in demand, security focus. Yes, with training. Did you take the screenshot? No. You know who you are. If someone going to train you, will you be get trained in a very good way or not? That you know. You know that you are a very good student, or you are an average student, or you are a below average student. So to choose which course is better, I will leave it to you, because I don't know how Karthik is going to choose or how Navin is going to choose. I don't know. This is you. First of all, you should know about yourself. Then this is the data I'm going to give you. Choose any one of these things. Choose any one of these things and start your career and start taking the courses. Sir, I'm experienced, I have career gap, what I have to do? Same, for you also same. These are the 7 top most courses that you can do it, where you can settle very quick. Within 1 year, 7 to 8 months, you will take a course, and within 4 months, you will be getting a job. Within 1 year, you will be getting a job. That is the point here. You don't have to invest 4 years like BTech, or 3 years like BSc, or 5 years like doctor and all, MBBS and all. You don't have to invest. Within 1 year, you will learn skill. You will get a job, and this is going to be a very good package also. So this, if you take the screenshot, this will be very much helpful to you. Okay, good. I just want to make few more points. I want to add here roadmap to success. What I have to do, sir, here? What I have to do? As I have told you, I have to go back again. Okay. See, choose the path. I have given you 7 points. Join training. Training is very important point. So we Naresh IT people, that's what we are doing. We are guiding the students. We are providing you the courses. We will only fetch you jobs. You don't have to worry. Okay. Join the training, I'm telling you, followed by build portfolio or projects you do. And for projects also, we will help you. Don't worry. You just choose a path, man. We will train you. We will build your portfolio. We will help you to do projects. Then we will conduct mock interviews and resume building classes and all. We will only fetch you job applications. We will only fetch you job applications. Data engineer. Are data analyst, data engineer, they are same. Okay. Then you just have to get a job. You attend the interviews, you're going to get a job. This should be your roadmap to success. This is what it should be. Final tips: learn hands-on tools and not theory. You have to execute the program, you have to see the outputs. You just, sir, I will read the notes. Will I become? No. Hands-on experience is very important. Build projects. Projects are very, very important. Communication and teamwork matters. Communication is very, very important. Again, I will tell you. Then stay updated with the tech trends and all. That you will be doing. First, you get a job. That's after that you will be doing all these things. So you don't have to worry about this. This one. Career plan proposal from my side. Mahendra sir, what you will say? What you will say? See, my own plan, I will give it to you, which I wanted to execute at my young age, but there was no one to tell me. Listen, please listen, listen, very important it is. Your life. Listen, listen, listen. Choose course. Okay. Get a job. Get a job. Don't worry. Regarding this and all, I will tell you. Get job. How to get job, what are this, everything and all, I'll tell you. This is your first step. Take course. Second step is what? Get job. After this only I'm going to give you something like 3 to 4 years of experience you get first. 3 to 4 years of experience if you get, listen, 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 listen. Go to other countries. Go to other countries for 5 years or for 5 to 10 years. This is what my plan. See, you get a job, might be 1.8 LPA or 2 LPA only, no problem. Okay, now you start your career, get 3 to 4 years of experience. After that, go to other countries. I'm telling you, other countries are, thousands of people. They are ready to give Indian developers a job. Okay. In India, if you earn, I'll tell you, like in India, if you earn 5 LPA job, okay, if you go to other countries, this can be approximately equal to 25 LPA also sometimes. There are countries who pay 5 times that what India is paying you. You can even make crores in 5 to 10 years, I'm telling you. Is there anyone's sibling or cousin or any family member working as a developer in other countries here in the class? I just want to know their package if you know. Anybody is there here? After seeing their packages, it will be mind blowing, I'm telling you. Listen very carefully, I will tell you. Get a course, apply for the interviews, get job. I will tell you how to apply for the interviews, everything and all will tell you. So get job. You got a job, 3 4 years of experience, you got it. Go to other countries for 5 to 10 years. Sir, I don't want to go other countries. Fantastic. You continue in India. You continue in India. Target for product based companies. This is what second. Sir, I am ready to. I can go out of the country and I can make money like hell. Please go. Sir, I don't want to go to other countries. I want to stay in my India itself. In my India itself, I want to do it. Then please go for second option. What is that? Product based companies only you have to go. Product based companies only. Ruchita is saying, yes, sir, 42 lakhs. How many years of experience that person is having? 42 lakhs you have told. Now, how many years of experience he has and which country he is working in or she is working in? This I want to say to everyone. Japan, okay. They're working in Japan. Good. What is startup? Startup means 4 to 5 years of experienced people. They will gather and they will start their own company. That's it. As a student, you cannot go with a startup. It's very difficult because you should know about the work. You should know about the work means at least you have to have 4 to 5 years of experience. So get a job, get experience of 4 to 5 years, then start your own company. So no problem. What is product based company? Okay, good, super. See, there are two types of companies will be there: service based companies and product based companies. Do you know? Okay, better. Do you know what is the full form of TCS? Tata Consultancy Services. Tata Consultancy Services. It's a service based. Service based means what? They have developers. They have developers, but they will not develop application. Suppose there is one company called Bold Data. There is one company, software company called Bold Data. They need some engineers or developers. So TCS will send their employees to work here for 3 months or 4 months. Once the project is done, these employees will go back to TCS. Means companies will hire developers from the consultancy services and all. So you don't have to get stuck like this. You have to get into product based companies. Product based companies means what? A company will manufacture its own product, like its own software or its own website. That's what product based. So you always get into product based companies only. Do not get into service based companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini. These are all what? Service based companies. See, you all know that I don't have enough time to explain each and everything. Okay, if it is a class of around 2 hours or 2.5 hours, it would be even still better. Service based, you got it right, sir. In India, 6 years of experience, and okay, Ruchita is saying, like, we told no that 42 LPA student. Ruchita said that, sir, in India he got 3 years of experience. Then he went to Japan 3 months. Okay, he went to Japan. Now he's earning 42 LPA. Can you imagine now? 6 years experience. Okay, imagine. Example I'm telling you, he might have or she might have got okay, he said, okay, he means what? Boy. He might have started his career as 22 years old, 6 years of experience, 28 years. By the time of marriage, okay, by the time of marriage, boys will get married at 28, 29, 30 only, no? So 28 years, now he's earning 48 LPA, na? 42 LPA, you said, I don't know, I have seen, I'll check the comments. I should not be wrong, no? 42, 42, she said, okay, fine. Eraser 42 it is. See, 42 LPA means approximately 3.5 lakhs per month. Hey, listen, 3.5 lakhs per month. In that 3.5 lakhs, imagine you are staying in Japan and you spent 1.5 lakhs in a month for your way of living. You spent 1.5 lakhs per month also. You stay in Japan and remaining 2 lakhs is left. If you send the 2 lakhs to India every month, and your parents, those who stay in India, they will purchase land. Imagine 20 lakhs of land you purchase now, 20 lakhs of land you purchase in India. Then just after 2 3 years, that 20 lakhs will become 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. So I will tell you, everyone, I'm telling you, listen very carefully to my advice. One day you might think about this. Okay, on that day, Mahendra sir has told this. You get job, go to other countries, make hell out of the money. I'm telling you, lot of money you make it. You get that money back to India, you purchase land. By the age 35 or 36, you get retired. After 35 and all, you just only enjoy your life. You go to restaurants, wherever you want to. You want to take your bike and you want to go for solo travel, you do it. You take a car, Jimny Arthar, you go to Manali, wherever you want, you do it. But after 35 years, you will be fantastic, I'm telling you. That's what people are doing. Have you seen in Instagram nowadays? It's becoming very, very trendy. All techies and all, developers and all, they work up to 35 years and 36 years, and they will purchase a farm and they will do farming. Have you came across about such kind of Instagram reels and all, or YouTube videos and all, where techies they purchase land and they started doing farming? They left the IT jobs. That doesn't mean that they got bored. No, they made enough money. Now they want to live their life slow. That's why they're doing all this things. Okay, I think I have told my point of view. If you want to go out of the country, that is fabulous choice that you are doing. No, sir, I want to stay in my India itself means search for product-based companies. That would be even better. Fantastic, it will be. Okay, now why I was talking about all these things means what? Look at here. Now the point comes. No, sir, okay, sir, my career plan is set. What I have to study is also fantastic. Now what I have to do? I have to learn a course and I have to get a job also. Fine. Point is what? Now I have to what I have to do. See, listen here very carefully. You join to an institute. That is to our institute, Naresh IT. What we will be doing? We will be giving you fabulous training. We have excellent bunch of faculties. Very slow, they will explain. They will make you to get the point into your mind in a very single first attempt itself. They explain in a very fabulous way. Okay, so in Naresh IT, what we'll be doing, we will be solving programs using platforms like HackerRank and Lead Code. We'll be using HackerRank and Lead Code. These are the big platforms through which companies will start taking interviews and all. Okay, so these interview questions only we are going to solve in our organization. Then, so why Naresh IT? You might ask this question, why Naresh IT? See, we will be having dedicated mentors. Mentors means what, 2 hours or 4 hours of classes will be there. After that, you will be going to the labs. When you get into the labs, here the person who is standing and explaining, no, he is the mentor. See, in a class, example, if 40 students are there, faculty cannot sit beside each and every one and they cannot explain each and every code. So that problem is solved by dedicated mentors. Mentors will, these are the students and they have, for them, it has been given an assignment, they are doing it. This person did not understand, so our mentor is explaining it. Okay. This girl got an, what is this problem? So he is explaining it. And this girl got an error and this girl is explaining. So those who are standing and explaining, they are mentors. So dedicated mentors will be there for each and every doubt they will be explaining. In this photo itself, you can see the other person on the other side here also, this person. He is also explaining over there here. Do you understand? So this is what the point here. Like this dedicated mentors will be there. Along, see, you will get faculties and you will get mentors also to study here. Then lab assignments. So we will be making the group and we will be giving them some assignments and some tasks. So here will be the mentor. This person is a mentor and who will be checking all these things. Okay. So this is like, you can understand by their experience. This girl expression you see and this boy expression you see. It is not like made a photo and all. This person, our faculty, he is checking, like mentor, he is checking the project. This girl is explaining, now here it is. And he asked some question, and this girl is explaining, and he's checking now. See, that is what these are all like normal, actual day to day. This is a regular what will be happening in our classes and labs and all. This is what admin support. Suppose you are undergoing a course, okay? You have some no problems with the training, with lab questions and all, lab exams and all. So you can come to admin and you can talk to our admins and all like this. Admin support will be there. Is it clear now? So you can say, sir, these are all the points that we are expecting from this. Like we need extra notes, we need some extra PDFs, or we need some more questions to practice like this. Anything whatsoever here is there, or any other organization related support you want means, always admin department or admin desk will be open to you. You can come and ask at any time. Then mock interview. See, you can able to see here before you get into interviews. This is very, very important. Okay, so here is our representative. He's conducting the interview now. Okay, look at here now. So we asked all the students to come in formals. These are the four students, they are coming in formals. So mock interview is going on now. It will be like a real interview. So we'll be collecting the data of the students now. Water bottles are kept aside here. There is a board behind here you can observe, and there is a marker and pen. We'll be asking them to explain a topic, or we might ask them to write one code here. Before you get into interviews, mock interviews will be done. Before practice, you cannot get into interviews. Even that also will be done. See, A to Z will be taken care by Naresh IT. You just have to join the course and you have to be regular to the classes. That's it. And after all these things, after going for mock interviews and all, interviews also provided by us only. Atul, I will answer your question. Please wait. So, interviews also provided by us. You attend the lay. I'm telling you, interviews is provided by us. Okay, interviews is provided by us. Job guarantee 100% will be there, but you have to clear the interviews. That's what the point. Suppose you have attended 3 interviews, you could not clear the interview. These 3 interviews are provided by us only. Then again, we will send you for fourth interview. Fourth interview, if you do not clear, fifth interview I'll give you, sixth interview we will give you, seventh interview we will give you. Like that, we will be giving you interviews continuously till you get a job. Till you get a job, we will be giving you what you tell me interviews. Till you clear an interview, we will be keep on giving you interviews. So don't worry. Don't worry at all. Book about Java. See, Atul, you have asked what book you will be following towards the Java. See, we have experienced faculties. Okay. There will be no such one particular author's book we will be following. With the outside trends, with the latest interviews and all, we have adjusted our own syllabus for it. Okay, Naresh IT, we have our own way of syllabus. According to that syllabus only, we'll be telling you. One point I will tell you, when I take Java classes, see, I'm a Java faculty, I will be taking Java classes here. So my name is Mahendra. Okay, so I am Mahendra, I take Java classes here in Naresh IT. Okay, my point, you see, how I teach. Okay, how I teach, I will tell you. How I teach, I will tell you. Look at here. Suppose last week, one interview had happened. I will be meeting all the students and I will be asking what are the questions they have asked. What are the questions in the interview they have faced. And if any question, which is very frequently asked, what type of questions, coding questions they are asking, immediately I will be adjusting in my regular classes, immediately. So within 1 or 2 days, I will be implementing that in my day-to-day classes. But if you follow book, it will take 2 years to put all those things into the book, and they have to publish it once again, and that again we have to start following. Books, the biggest problem is what, books will not get updated. If you use that book, there are people, suppose if I say one good book, even after 10 years people will choose the same book. But what about the development in that 10 years? IT industry is very fast growing now. So one interview to another interview, slightly there will be definitely change. Last month interview is not same as like this month's interview. So we all have such kind of fantastic faculties who will be regulating, adjusting, depending on the market outside. Will be covering all the syllabus so that you can clear the interviews. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, good. So Naresh IT, all these things I have told you. Then labs we will be providing. Weekly tests will be available. Look at here. Okay, these are the students. Those are sitting here, and he's a mentor who's taking care of this, all the things and all. See, look at here now. If you observe very closely, here one mentor is there. Correct? One girl is explaining. Here one more mentor is there. One boy is explaining. And here one more mentor is there. He is explaining. Do you understand now? If anybody gets doubt here, suppose you see here, this person looks like he got some doubt. What he will be doing? He will be raising his hand like this. Then immediately either this girl, this boy, or this boy will come and help him. So this is how weekly test will be given to you. Lab arrangements will be given to you. You will be sitting here after the classes and you will be practicing all these things. So don't worry, please. I will answer all your questions in the comment box. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry now. Please give me some time. I will finish this. So now, whole your career, how you have to start, what you have to do, everything I have told you. Now you have to make your mind. It's the time to start and ignite now. From today, the show is on. Now you have to start planning and you have to start executing the plan. The show is on. Don't sit back, I'm telling you. This part of your life is very, very important. Making money. Make enough money, get retired well, start living your life. Okay. Now you can ask all the questions. I will answer now. Is it available from Naresh IT or not, sir? Atul, what is available? Please tell me. How will online mode adopt all this facilities? See, online people, how can I tell you? See, Saurabh, how it is possible? I have given lab and you are there in your home. How online people you will attend this? Labs and all, not possible, no. If you attend offline, it would be better. Online you are attending means you can listen to the classes and you can get some questions from us. You can get notes from us. And we have our own separate software where we'll be uploading questions in the software. You can take the exams from your home itself. We have our own platform, so it is very soon getting implemented now. Okay, any other questions? Sir, is DSA required to become a full stack developer? No, Ajay, you need what is this? Collection and framework. Data structures and algorithms is not compulsory. So alternative to data structures and algorithms, we have collections and framework that we'll be teaching in this. So don't worry. There is Java book available from sir. Yes, we will be providing you no day-to-day class notes, everything, and also you don't have to worry. Any other questions, guys? Can we use fake experience for career gap? No, Nikhil, you are not supposed to do it. Okay, please don't do it. If you get caught, then it will be a lot of legal actions will be taken. You are not supposed to do it. Please don't do. Outside people are doing it like they're calling it as backdoor, career gap is there, I can do it, all these things. No, it's not possible. Even after if you put fake experience also, once you go there, the cinema is completely different. As a fresher and as a experience, there will be huge difference. You cannot complete the tasks within the time. So people can easily identify you that you are a fresher. So if they identify, then there is a possibility that they can file a cheating case on you. Sir, it's very risky. Don't do it. I'm telling you. Please don't do it. Don't get stuck. Don't spoil your life. Go with as usual. Don't try to do anything, such kind of things and all. But see, if you don't get caught, okay, you might survive. But if you get caught, then huge loss will be there. Deepak, sir, how can I search about job and apply on it? See, don't worry, you don't have to search for the jobs, Deepak. If you join the course from Naresh IT side, we will be providing you the jobs. Okay, not jobs like interview opportunities. Will be providing you. We will be keep on providing you interview opportunities, so you don't have to worry. Java full stack learn to basic data structure. What is this Java full stack? Learn to basic data structure. Yes, correct. It will get you like basics of data structures and all. I have career gap of 10 years. Can I learn full stack React JS? Full stack React JS. That means you can go for mean and okay. This 10 years of gap, I will tell you. JS full stack is there. JS full stack meaning JavaScript full stack. In that JavaScript, you will get mean or MERN. You'll be understanding MongoDB, ExpressJS, AngularJS, Node.js. You're saying React. React means what? MongoDB you will learn, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js. So you want to do MERN full stack, MERN full stack in front end, or MERN full stack. If you want to go for MERN full stack, please be very careful that job opportunities will be little bit less compared to Java full stack. Your institute locations are Naresh IT. Okay, Amirpet. You just Google it, you will be getting to that place. Or we have our what do you tell me, admin department. They will share you contact details. You can talk to them and you can finish it up. Sir, which is better, AngularJS or React.js? Srikanth, React.js is better than Angular comparatively because React.js is booming now in the market. Institution locations are Naresh IT is available in the Amirpet, Hyderabad. You can take it, or you can take it from online also. Online classes are also available. Sir, giving notes from sir or Naresh IT giving books, sir. Naresh IT, see, that is the point now. Here it is. Faculties will be giving you the notes. We don't have one rigid form of book. You will be getting fresh notes from the faculties by the classes itself. Fresh notes you will be getting. No, not old notes. Fresh notes you will be getting. Sir, as AI is booming, should I go with Java, Python full stack? 1000% APD. See, I will tell you, many people, you might have this doubt, sir. AI is going on now. So AI might replace my job also. No, sir, what I have to do? See, for that, I'm going to give you one answer, you see. I will go to this. Look at here now. I'll go to ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT, right? I will ask you me prime number program. Prime number program in Java. I will adjust. Okay. Immediately AI is going to generate the notes. Correct? Now, do you think that this program is written by AI? Do you think that this program is written by AI? Many people they'll get confused. Sir, this question AI has given the notes. No, sir. Why developers is required? But if you observe very closely, this is one here. Let's see here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Geeks for geeks. What is this? AI will not develop its own code. It will search from different websites, different databases, different servers. Then it will give you the data which is available. It is nothing like a search engine. Where is the code? Code is available in Geeks for Geeks website. Look at here. See, I'm going to click on this Geeks for Geeks. If I click on it, there is a website called Geeks for geeks. See, prime number program in Java. Here is the code. What that AI did, it copied this code. You are able to see here now. You are able to see here now. This code has been copied there. Do you understand what I'm saying here now? This code has been copied by AI. So AI means it is not intelligence, it is artificial intelligence. It will search your data and it will give it to you. AI has no power of logical thinking. It cannot do logical thinking. So that is what human beings are. Okay. So AI can never, even our Narayan Murthy sir, Infosys CEO, he also told the same thing. Even it might be crores, like hundreds of years, AI will not replace developers. AI will replace non-technical jobs. Please be very careful. AI will replace non-technical jobs, not development jobs. So you don't have to worry about this. I hope I made my point clear. Any other doubts you have? Sir, is online classes good for us if we're not able to come to Hyderabad? See, if we cannot come to Hyderabad, then online is best. No, sir, I have time. I can come to Hyderabad and I can learn. Means please come to offline because offline classes are more efficient than online. Like for AI ML career, which is better, Java full stack or Python full stack? Python full stack is good. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, you can go for Python is good. I think it is good. IIBD. But sir, some code editor is coming. That code editor is give the code all the code. No, 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 no. See, that is what code editor I'm telling. Code editor, chat GPT, whatsoever, they will research. See, I will develop one no code editor. I will develop one code editor. For that, I will develop one server. In that server, I will put all the codes. I will put all the codes. So when you try to ask a code from the code editor, I will link my code editor to search in the what is that server. Then it will be giving it to you. See, whatsoever the technology increases, whatsoever the level of technology is they are doing develops. Still, technology cannot see. You cannot give logical thinking to a computer. It's not possible. You write some algorithm, it works on the algorithm. That's it. Hi, admin, please share this recorded session. Uh, okay, I will be talking to the admin department and they'll be sharing the recorded session. Sir, as a beginner, which language is best to start? Uh, it's not about language, every language is better, but I will suggest you to go for Java full stack because if you do Java full stack and all, you get lot of opportunities. I'm not saying Python is bad. I'm not saying Python is bad or .NET is bad. Other programming languages are also fantastic. But the point is, if you are expecting more opportunities, more exposure, then you better go for Java full stack. Me too, sir. Video recording, sir. Atul, okay, video recording and all will be given to you, so you don't have to worry about these things and all. Shared with you. .NET full stack. .NET full stack is also fantastic. You can go for .NET full stack, Java full stack, Python full stack, whichever you want, you can go. There is no problem at all. But comparatively, sir, if I compare .NET and Java, which is better? Java is better. Sir, .NET is better or not? Yes, .NET is better. Are you understanding? .NET is better, eh? But if you compare Java and .NET, then Java is better. Like that it is. So if I want to join the classes as online student, then how can I apply for the jobs? Don't worry. For you, we will be arranging the interviews and we will be sending you the interview links. You sit in your home and try to attend the interviews online. Sir, also, which is better, hacker rank or lead code, and how many should I solve for interviews and resume? See, you don't have to solve. Oh, you know what? Hacker rank and lead code, they have more than 50,000 coding questions. 15,000 coding questions they have. You cannot solve each and every one. if you spend 10 years also, you cannot solve. So point is what? There are very important questions like 70 to 75 interview questions on lead code and 100 questions on hacker rank. Okay. You can choose those 100 important questions or 75 important questions from lead code, solve only those. That is more than enough. Is every product based company ask about DSA? I cannot say that. It depends on the again role. As a software developer, they're not going to ask, but if you do DSA, it would be better. But DSA, is it compulsory to get a job? No, it is not compulsory. But if you do it, it will like add an advantage for you. If you have enough time, you can go DSA for also. DSA also. If you are first you finish full stack Java, then again you have another 3 to 4 years of time. Then go for DSA also. Which is better, full stack Java or full stack Python? See, both are better, but Python you have less opportunities in development role. For Java full stack, you have more opportunities in development role. Comparatively, compare these two means opportunities are more if you do it Java full stack. Which one is better, Angular JS or React JS? I have already answered this many times and all. Please go for React JS. Okay guys, सर क्या हिंदी से भी ट्रेनिंग रहता है इंस्टीट्यूट में अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए? सी वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, क्लासेस में तो फैकल्टी इंग्लिश में ही बोलेगा। जब आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा तब आप मेंटर से हेल्प ले सकते हो। मेंटर्स आपसे हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं कई कई बार, सो यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ मेंटर्स, दे विल एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो। आई टू डोंट नो मच हिंदी बट आई कैन मैनेज हिंदी। Sir, in lead code, the hacker rank, all kinds of solving problems are available, like front end and back end. No, I think most it will be back end available. Front end, I don't think. See, we cannot generate a platform to check front end. Suppose I tell you, design a web page. You will design a web page. So to check whether the web page is correct or not, I cannot write the code. So back end it is only. Nikhil Chavan, sir, is Naresh IT JRTP course? JRTP means what? Equivalent to the real-time project scenarios, 1000%. So we'll be making you to do the projects also. Java real-time project, huh? Oh, ho. How can you say JRTP and Java real-time projects? You should say no. Yes, all real-time projects will be there, which is equivalent to a fresher, like which is required for a fresher. Sir, which is better, Java or Python? Arey, Srikanth, I will murder you definitely. If it was offline class, I would have killed you. How many times I'm telling you, like Java, Python? Comparatively, Java is better. Sir, I'm learning Python. After this, I want to learn agentic and agentic AI. Is it good to learn 1000%? Yes, 1000%. See, any course that you want to do is fantastic. You can go for it and all. Opportunities there. Opportunities are there on every course. But after that, you have to dare to search for the interviews and you have to attend the interviews. Think about the opportunities. That is very important now, because year to year, opportunities may grow, may decrease also. Please be it. How we improve our communication skills? See, if you join to Naresh IT, we have our communication classes and all. So faculties will be helping you to improve your communication also. English classes also will be running. Everything they will teach you. They will help you to how to speak in public, how to speak in GD, group discussion and all. So how to compete with jam and all, just a minute round and all. So to improve communication, only thing is what you have to speak. That's it. That's it from. That's it. The only thing. How do we integrate AI and learning purpose, sir? That and all we can speak in class, our regular classes and all. It's a very big story. Okay, Achyuta Gowda. I cannot make it short and all. If from online, online what? Okay, sir. Okay, if from online communication, regarding communication, you're asking. Online we cannot do anything, man. Online means what? I have to sit in the online and I have to talk to you for 2 hours daily. Okay, it is not possible. I hope so. Online English classes are not available. Of course, you can listen to the classes online. You can listen online English classes we can provide you, but I cannot communicate with you. No, if you are sitting in front of me in the class only, I can talk to you properly. Uh, like two-way interaction will be good, but if it is in online, it will be only one way. I will be talking and you will be listening. That is the point. So Don't worry. If you take the course, you can listen the classes or communication class on online also. Okay, this is enough for the day, guys. Have a great time, fantastic time ahead and all. Bye bye. Take care. I am going to end this class. So please, admin department, sir. No, please provide the necessary details to our students and all. Okay, Naresh, can you suggest which one is better, MERN or Java full stack? See, MERN full stack is also fabulous, and Java full stack is also fantastic. Many people are going towards Java full stack because there are a lot of opportunities. MERN full stack is there, but many people are not going towards that. So you want to become different and you want to get good opportunities, like average opportunities will be there and good salary will be there. Okay, you can go for MERN. No, sir, I will go for the, no, Java means that is also fine. See, I'm telling you, listen very carefully. MERN also will give you jobs. MERN also will give you good salary like Java. Both are equal. But most of the people are going to Java. That is the reason I am suggesting you go for MERN. But comparatively, interview opportunities will be less. Like if you compare to Java, Java people, if they're getting 10 interviews, you will get 4 to 5 interviews. But you should be good in that. Sir, you said Java has more opportunities, but if I want to pursue AML career, should I go for it? Yes, yes. Python, you better go. It will be better. AML career, Python is good. So if I'm learning .NET, React, or Angular, which is good? Oh, why are you repeating the same question again and again? React is better than Angular. Please understand. Okay. Spoken English is how much important in IT because I'm not fluent in speaking. See, Nikhil, 90% your communication, 10% is your skill. I'm telling you. Communication is very important in IT industry, but don't worry. To finish the course, it will take 5 to 6 months of time. Within that time, you can improve your English. Don't worry. But English is very important. You know English, no job. No English, no job. That's for sure. Communication is very important now. Okay. So, but you can learn because you have time. 4 to 5 months you will be having. So in that time, you can improve your English. No problem at all. So I have a basic knowledge on full stack. Then how we can crack interview. So that and all I can speak in the classes, man. Okay, very good question it is, Srivar. How to crack the interview, but now it is not possible. I'll be ending the classes and all session. It's already 12 o'clock. I have to finish, but it's been 12:30 now. In our regular classes we will discuss how to crack the interview. So how you have to answer, how you have to dress up, what should be the type of resume, what color combination of dress you can get into an interview room, how do you introduce yourself, how do you speak about your career gap, how do you speak about salary expectation and all, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years, what are your hobbies, what are your strengths, what are your weakness. All these questions we'll discuss in our day-to-day classes, so don't worry. Sir, you start to prepare now. When can I start applying for the job? After 5 to 6 months, course is finished and you can start earning the. Many people will say within 2 months you will learn something, you'll become a developer. Within 3 months you will become a developer. Not possible and all. Development is not so easy. I'm telling you. It will take minimum 5 to 6 months of time. Then you'll start attending the interviews. Okay. Alright, you have done 4 years engineering. 4 years. Still you do not have a job. BSc, BCA, three years. Still you don't- just spend 6 to 7 months. Within 1 year you will get a job. What is the roadmap for fluent in English? I'm telling you, start speaking in English. That's very, very important now. You should have a person who is good at English, who is fluent in English. Start speaking to that person daily on regular basis. And if you commit any mistakes, that person has to rectify at that point of time itself. That's how you will improve your communication. Sir, any online AI tool are available to take mock interviews? Yes, that's what Srikanth I'm telling you. We are providing online platform for you to take the mock interviews online also. We have AI powered online mock interview facility from Naresh IT. You can take that interviews from anywhere. Mock interviews will be providing you. Okay, good. Still any questions do you have? See, one word or two words questions I can answer, but 10 to 15 sentence lines and all I cannot give you. Any one word questions you have, one sentence questions you have, you can ask. Sir, sir, there are for only placement assistance Java. There are only for only. అడగండి మీరు ఏం అడగాలి అనుకుంటున్నారో తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు నేను చెప్పగలను తెలుగులో కన్నడలో హిందీలో ఏదైనా సరే I will answer. Any other questions do you have, guys? If you do not have doubts and all, you can start leaving the classes and all. సార్ మీరు చెప్పింది ఓన్లీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అసిస్టెన్స్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళకైనా అవును ప్లేస్మెంట్ అసిస్టెంట్ హూ ఎవర్ టేక్స్ ద బ్యాచెస్ ఫర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అసిస్టెన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫర్ దోస్ పీపుల్ ఓన్లీ. See, there are people those who want to stick to the plan and they want to execute very seriously. That is what it will be. No, sir, I don't want all these things. I just want a course. You teach me only course and I don't want any other thing. So for them, only courses are available also. That facilities also we are giving. So I want only course. I don't want anything else. Just the course is required. That is also possible. That also we are providing. Hi sir, why Java is so popular when compared to Python in IT field and all? See, I will tell you there is a history for Java also. Java has been invented in the year 1995, got into the market. So till the time before that also already C was there, C++ was there, and Python was also there. Python was there in the market in the 1991 itself. But as the internet has been recently designed in the 90s actually. Okay, internet came to the market in 90s, but already C and C++ was there in 1972 and 1978 only. So C and C++ were not built for no internet applications and all. Python also came into a market in 1991. From 1991, Python was there. Nobody was getting into Python so much and all. So from 2015 onwards, Python started growing slowly. But what happened, to the Java? From 1995 to 2006, it was there in the Sun Microsystems. They have given 8 versions of Java. Later on, it went to IBM. IBM company did not release any new versions. Then it went to Apple company. Apple company did not made any release no, versions and all. From 2010 onwards, Oracle got into the picture. But why Java grown? I will tell you. From 2010 to 2016, Oracle did not do any new versions of Java. From 2017 onwards, what Oracle did, Oracle company, they started releasing two versions of Java every single year. For every 6 months, you will get a new version of Java. Hey, do you understand? For every 6 months, you will get new version of Java. Meaning there will be no loophole. Suppose you have a problem in Java, within 6 months it will be rectified. So Java is constantly growing, constantly growing. Every 6 months, Oracle people they started releasing Java versions. So there is no problem with Java. That's why, see, there is one product and you will never face any problem. So why people should not choose and go and choose that? So Java is like, something like that. There are no other programming languages which are working like that. That is the reason. Working in the sense like, suppose I have a product, I am not rectifying, I am not rebuilding it again and again, and I am not replacing the problems in it. Then that is the biggest like drawback to a particular language. But Java is not like that. Okay, I'm a regular Java student, so I'm asking about this. That's okay, fine. Hi, sir. Why Java is so popular? That's fine. Sir, is Hibernate Linux need to learn, sir, as well as DSA? DSA is not compulsory. Hibernate is compulsory. Linux is not compulsory. Linux DSA is not required, but Hibernate is required. Spring Boot, Hibernate, JDBC, these are all required for Java, and that we will be teaching you. So don't worry. What is DBMS? Database Management System. Srivardhan, it is Database Management System. Database. There is a Instagram, very famous Instagram reel. What is database? Database is called database, like that. That's what Database Management System, DBMS. Sir, the session provide recorded videos. Send my WhatsApp. Rishabh is asking like recorded session. It will be provided to you, Rishabh. Please contact our admin. They will be giving it to you. సార్ రెగ్యులర్ జావా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఎగ్జామ్ పెడతారుగా అది ఎప్పుడు ఉండొచ్చు సార్ రెగ్యులర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఓకే యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ వన్స్ ద అడ్వాన్స్ జావా ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ వన్స్ ద అడ్వాన్స్ జావా ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ లైక్ ఆఫ్టర్ 6 months we'll conduct exams and if you clear that we'll start giving you interviews. DBMS, how it is useful to get job? See, only DBMS is not enough. Suppose you are developing an application, you will get username, password, okay, na, their date of birth, everything will be there. So you have to keep all those things in a database. Like you should have their database, yes or no? So that is what we will be using one container where I will store all the data of the user. That is what we will call it as database. Okay. Suppose I have opened an account in SBI. So SBI people will have my account number. They will have even my password also. They will be having my money. They will have every information. But all that information, they have to store it in one place now. That one place we will call it as database. So you have to know about database if you want to become a developer. Only database will not fetch you job, but database is just 10% of full stack development. Is ATS can reject our resume? 1000% they can reject your resume. Please build your resume according to ATS friendly. You go to ChatGPT and upload your resume and tell ChatGPT to make it as ATS friendly. It will make it ATS friendly and it will give it to you. Download it and start applying for jobs. అడ్వాన్స్ జావా కంప్లీట్ సార్ ఏ మంత్ లో ఉండొచ్చు అని ఆఫ్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి అడ్వాన్స్ జావా కంప్లీటెడ్ then it will be very soon it will be spring you should start and it should be undergoing. So when spring is going that time it will be provided, so don't worry, you please speak to your respective faculties and all, it will be done. Okay, I'm very much tired from last 2 hours. I'm continuously talking. Thank you so much for your patience, and I will thank myself for my patience also. Have a great time, guys. Happy Sunday. Bye bye. Take care. If you have any doubts, please talk to our admin, and our admin department has given the details to you. Any doubts at any point of time, please contact us. We will be providing you necessary details, everything and all. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great time, guys.